Hey developers, welcome back to WebDevelopmentgs again. Angular just got a massive update and it's changing how we manage state forever. Say goodbye to messy subscriptions and hello to Angular signals. The simplest way to handle reactivity in Angular 19. In this quick 5-minute video, I will explain what signals are, how they work, and why they are the future of Angular. So, what exactly are signals? Signals are reactive values, variables that automatically tell Angular when something changes. Think of them as state containers. When a signal's value changes, Angular automatically updates everything that depends
Signal.
on it. Here is a quick example. I have created an Angular application in Angular 19, and here you can see I have using counter equal to signal, and I am initializing the value 0. So this is the way where we can create our signals. Okay, and if you will go to our ng on function, here I had used the console log to print the value of this signal. So here I have just created this for simple reference, and this way we can create a signal. Okay, I will go to the HTML file. Here you can see for now we are not showing any of the values. So let me just remove this comment, remove commenting these all buttons, and here you can see we have
And whenever
by default value is 0. Okay, and whenever we will update the value like 2, and as soon as I will save, it will be updated in our UI. Just like that, when the signal changes, the UI reacts automatically. No change detector reference, no async pipe, no manual refresh. Now let's understand how this magic works behind the scene. Signals track dependencies. Angular knows which part of your app depend on which signals. When a signal updates, only those parts re-render. We also have computed signals, which are signals derived from other signals. And we have effects, which automatically run when the signals they depend on change. That's it. Signals, computed and effect. Three simple building blocks of a reactive Angular world. Let's see how you can use signals inside your Angular component. Notice something cool. We are directly binding the signal to our template. Within, no need for observables, subscription, or change detection. Everything just works instantly. Let's talk about why everyone is excited about Angular signals. Number one, simpler code. No more boilerplate or manual subscriptions. Faster performance. Only components that depends on a signal will re-render. Predictable updates. You know exactly when and why something changes. Works perfectly with the zoneless Angular apps. A big step toward high performance Angular 19. In short, Signal make Angular more modern, efficient, and fun to use. Now, if you are using RxJS or NGRX, don't worry. You don't have to throw them away. Signals can coexist with RxJS. They are great for local component state or UI level reactivity, while RxJS remain powerful for async streams and global state management. Let's wrap this up. Signals in Angular 19 are simple, reactive, and powerful. They cut down boilerplate and improve performance and make state management intuitive. So, you have not tried them yet. Now, that's the time. Comment below with Angular signals and let me know what you want to see next. Maybe a deep dive on signals versus RxJS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss the next video on the Angular 19 revolution. Thanks for watching and happy coding.